Actinostil. Protostil with star-shaped outline in transaction. Alternate pitting. A tertiary elements pit in diagonal rows. Anatomy. The study of the internal structure. Cell. Structural and physiological unit living organism. The plant cell consists of protoplast and cell wall. Non-living state of cell wall only, or cell wall and some non-living inclusions. Cell membrane, a translation of the German Zell membrane, which refers to the cell wall in that language. Circular bordered pit, a bordered pit with circular aperture. Cortex, the primary ground tissue region between the vascular system and the epidermis in stem and root. Term also used with reference to peripheral region of cell protoplast. Early wood. The wood formed in first part of a growth layer and characterized by a lower density and large cells than the late wood. Term replaces spring wood. Fusiform cell, an elongated cell tapering at the ends. Ground meristem, a primary meristem or meristematic tissue derived from the apical meristem and giving rise to the ground tissues. Ground tissue, tissues other than the vascular tissues, the epidermis and the periderm, also called fundamental tissue. Growth, increase in size by cell division and or cell enlargement. Half-bordered pit pair, a pit pair consisting of a bordered and a simple pit. Hardwood, technical designation of the wood of dicotyledons. Internode, the region between nodes of a stem. Lamella, a thin plate or layer. Late wood, the secondary xylem formed in the later part of a growth layer. Denser and composed of smaller cells than the early wood. Term replaces summer wood. Marginal meristem, the meristem along the margin of a leaf primordium concerned with marginal growth of the blade. Matrix generally refers to a medium in which morphology, the study of form and its development. Mother cell, a cell giving rise to others by division. Non-porous wood, secondary xylem having no vessels. Ontogeny, the development of an organism's organ, tissue, or cell from inception to maturity. Opposite pitting, pits in tertiary element disposed in horizontal pairs or in short horizontal rows. Organ, a distinct and visibly differentiated part of plant such as root, stem, leaf, or part of a flower. Perforation plate, part of wall of a vessel number that is perforated. Pit pair, two complementary pits. Pit, ground tissue in the center of a stem or root. Softwood, technical designation of the wood conifers. Solitary pore, a pore surrounded by cells other than vessel members.